Welcome to Office Guruji. Get ready to boost your Excel skills. In this tutorial, we'll cover 15 essential Excel shortcuts. These will help you work smarter and faster, even if you're a beginner. Let's start with navigation shortcuts. Shortcut 1 is Ctrl plus Arrow Keys. This quickly jumps to the end of your data. It's great for large sheets. Shortcut 2 is Ctrl plus Home. This takes you straight to cell A1, no matter where you are. Shortcut 3 is Ctrl plus End. This moves the cursor to the last cell with data. Now let's move on to formatting shortcuts. Shortcut 4 is Ctrl plus B. This bolds your selected text instantly. Shortcut 5 is Ctrl plus U. This underlines your text for emphasis. Shortcut 6 is Ctrl plus 1. This opens the Format Cells dialog box for advanced formatting options. Next, we'll explore editing shortcuts. Shortcut 7 is F2. This allows you to edit any cell directly without double-clicking. Shortcut 8 involves Ctrl plus C to copy and Ctrl plus V to paste. Classic yet effective. Shortcut 9 is Ctrl plus X. This cuts your selected content, preparing it to be moved. Shortcut 10 is Ctrl plus Z to undo and Ctrl plus Y to redo your last action. Essential for corrections. Moving forward, let's discuss data management shortcuts. Shortcut 11 is Ctrl plus Shift plus L. This turns filters on or off for quick data sorting. Shortcut 12 is Alt plus bind E as S V. This pastes values only, removing any formulas you don't want. Shortcut 13 is Ctrl plus Shift plus plus. This inserts a new row or column where needed. Shortcut 14 is Ctrl plus I minus. This deletes the selected row or column, simplifying management. Finally, here's a bonus tip. Shortcut 15 is Ctrl plus C. This inserts today's date into a cell instantly. Pro tip: practice these shortcuts little by little. The more you use them, the faster you'll get at Excel. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, subscribe to Office Guruji. Don't forget to hit the bell icon for daily office productivity tips powered by AI.